Hello friends, I want to give a clue how to keep the probe in the original shape, original color. If you see this is a probe from a multinational company. You will find that there is a glue has happened here, the blue color. Basically this color is happening, it is coming from a gel. The gel what you use, it's a blue color. I always suggest people to not to use a colored gel, use a plain gel. Then you will not have this problem of decolorization of the cable. So be careful on selecting the gel. You tell the gel supplier not to give a colored gel. Give a plain, transparent gel. You will not have this problem. Thank you very much.